Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel, and on today's recipe we're going to be making chicken stir fry. So guys, let's get right into this recipe. So for this recipe I'm going to be using chicken thighs, and I'll start by cutting my chicken thighs into tiny strips. So after cutting my chicken thighs, I will put this in a bowl and I will transfer in my seasoning, which I'm going to be seasoning with some salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, hot chili, black pepper, and chicken seasoning powder. So I'll mix this up with the chicken thighs properly to marinate the chicken. So after that, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of honey. This is just going to give the chicken that nice caramelized color and also make it very delicious. So I'll add in 1 tablespoon cornstarch flour to lock in the spices and flavor in the chicken, and I will stir this together and cover to allow it to marinate for just about minimum of 30 minutes to 1 hour. So right now I'll get my veggies, which I'm going to be using yellow and red bell peppers, 1 carrot, 1 onion, some garlic, and some baby sugar snap peas. So I'll start by cutting my bell peppers, which are already washed. So guys, for the full list of the ingredients used on this recipe, I'll have them linked on the description box, and I'll also pin them on the comment section so you can get them easily. So I'll go ahead and cut my bell peppers into size like this, but you are free to cut your bell peppers into your desired size that you like. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. My name is Lydia, and to my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. So right now I'll go ahead and also cut the carrot, and this is the size that I'm going to be cutting my carrot. So but if you don't like carrots on your stir fries, you can just like skip the carrot part, but I love carrots on my stir fries as it just gives it that nice taste. So for my baby snap peas, I'm going to be cutting them into a very tiny size, as my kids, they don't like eating it when it's like the full size. So I just use like tie to like sneak them into my stir fries so they won't notice and they will have to eat it. So you can put yours the whole without cutting it. And here is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I love spice in my food, so I'm going to be putting just a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper to spice it up. And for my slurry, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 3 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch flour. So I'll get a bowl and transfer in all of them into the bowl. So for this recipe, you can also use light soy sauce if you don't have dark soy sauce. And I'll go ahead and add in about 200 ml water. So I'll mix this up together and I'll set that aside to use as my thickener. But if you don't want to like thicken this up, you can skip the cornstarch and the water. So right now I'll add a little bit, just like a tablespoon of olive oil in my pot, and I will start stir frying my chicken. So I'm stir frying my chicken on a high heat, and I'm going to allow it to cook until it comes out brown and having that caramel color. Like guys, I tell you, if you really want to like enjoy the best stir fry, just go for chicken thighs, as you will love the end result. It's not going to be kind of soggy, that juice is not going to be coming out, it's just going to be dry. You can take a look and see how this look like, brown and caramelized. Like guys, I tell you, this chicken stir fry was a hit. So I'll go ahead and stir fry the other batch of my chicken, and I'll get my pot ready to start stir frying my veggies. So I'm using the same oil that came out from the chicken. I'll add in my onion and garlic, and I'll just stir it for about 10 seconds because I don't want this to get burnt. So right now I'll transfer in all the veggies, and I'm going to be stir frying my veggies on a high heat for just about 2 minutes, as I want this to be crunchy and not soggy. But if you don't like your veggies to be crunchy, you can go ahead and stir fry it to the desired texture that you want. So 2 minutes later, I'll add in my thickener and I will stir this for just 30 seconds before transferring in my chicken. So right now we'll transfer the chicken. Guys, you can notice those kind of black stuff in there. Don't discard that if you get any of those in your chicken. Those are the flavor, like the honey, the onion powder, garlic powder. Those are all in there. So just put them, as it's going to give your stir fry that delicious taste. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you find this recipe helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a big like, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and if you have any question regarding this recipe, drop them on the comment section, as I will gladly reply to your comments. And follow me on my Instagram at Lydia Isaac TV. Till I see you guys on my next recipe. So guys, I went ahead and enjoy this delicacy with my family with some nice hot basmati rice, and I tell you guys, this was really delicious. Thank you for watching. Till I see you again, have a beautiful day. Bye.